To reset your Safari browser, go to your iPhone settings, search for Safari, open Safari in settings, scroll down, tap on Advanced, tap on Website Data, tap on Remove all website data, tap on Remove Now, and this will delete all your website data including your Safari browser data. After doing this, you can just go back to your settings main page. From your settings main page, you can tap on General, then tap on iPhone storage. In here, in this app list, go ahead and search for the Safari browser. Open Safari, and you can also delete your Safari browser all data from here. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching.